Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak English and understand English too.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. I'm 100% sure to come and work in Malaysia.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. I have
Friends or any family members?
friends and family members.
Is it your aunt, your cousin, your brother, your sister?
My cousin, ma'am.
You have cousin here in Malaysia. All right. So remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your family members. All right.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy and I have no health issue of my body.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
I go through about your profiles and it stated that you have a working experience in Middle East and Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Why did you still choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why did you choose to go
Uh,
Singapore or Hong Kong?
I choose work in Malaysia because no placement fee, ma'am, and no salary deduction also.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, I'm Karinelin Umbud, 40 years old, and uh, I'm a mommy of six children, ages 20, 18, 17, 15, 12, and 9.
All right, I need to know some few more details from you first. Are you single or married?
I'm married.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 50 years old, and he's a police officer here in my country.
When is your birthday?
My birthday, mom, is April 29, 1985.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3", and my weight is 62 kilos, mom.
What is your religion?
My religion is originally Protestant, mom.
What about your educational background?
My educational background, mom, is I'm a college undergraduate,
In what course?
bachelor of secondary education, major in English.
All right, so as this is not your first time working abroad, who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Okay, my mother and my grandmother will take care of my children when I'm going to work in Malaysia.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is a housekeeper, and she is 58 years old, mom.
What about your father?
My father is 60 years old, and he is a farmer, mom.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Have three brothers and one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the firstborn, mom.
Is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, mom. He's allowed me.
So we don't have any problem later.
Yes, mom. No problem at all.
According to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2019 to 2022 in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. You worked there for 3 years, is it?
And 2 years and 5 months, mom.
2 years and 5 months. Can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities inside the house or to your previous employment in KSA?
My previous employment in case is a mom. I was cleaning the house, um, washing the clothes, and helping take care of the baby.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Um, I'm cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, and helping take care of the baby, mom.
How old is the baby that you take care?
Um, 3 years old, 1 year old, and 9 months old with companion, mom.
With companion. Okay. How many companion inside the house?
Uh, I have one companion. I work for 5 members of the family, ma'am.
All right. Did you cook inside the house?
I know, ma'am, we have a personal cook.
All right. After why you didn't continue working with this employer, but of course you finished your 2 years contract. What happened? Why you didn't continue working with the employer?
I choose to work in Asian country like Malaysia, ma'am, because I know that Malaysia is a good country.
All right. Way back 2022 to 2025, you worked in Malaysia for how many years?
I work in Malaysia for 3 years and 1 month, ma'am.
Okay. What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment here in Malaysia?
My job responsibilities in my previous employment in Malaysia, ma'am, is uh, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and help take care of the baby also.
How many children you take care? Yeah. How many children you take care inside the house?
In Malaysia, ma'am,
Yes.
taking care in Malaysia, two babies, ma'am, the 7 months onward. But before, when I live in Malaysia, she is already 3 years old, then seconded by 1 year old and 2 months.
So, how old is the children that you take care? 1 year old or 7 months?
Uh, 7 months, mom,
And
and newborn also.
sorry,
7 months and newborn also, ma'am.
7 months and 1 year old.
Newborn, mom. When
Yes, seven
I
months and newborn. So you take care two children, correct?
yes, I'm helping taking care the two children, mom.
Did you cook inside the house?
No, mom, because usually my previous employer buy food outside.
Okay. Your previous employment here in Malaysia, is it Chinese, Indian, or what race?
Chinese, mom.
Do you know which place they were staying?
They're staying in Penang.
Penang. All right. So it's not new for you to work as an OFW because you have an experience in Middle East and here in Malaysia, and you already know what are the preferences of all the employers here. And you know that houses here is very big one, really no joke. And you know that employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, right?
Yes, mom.
But I don't want later that once you come to work here, you will going to compare your previous employer to your recently employer. No such a thing, all right?
Yes,
Every
mom.
employer's got different rules and regulations. Yeah? Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, mom. I understand.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, mom.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, mom.
Can you cook?
Yes, mom.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare if you know how to cook?
I know how to cook a Chinese Chinese soup, and I can cook basic Chinese food, mom,
All right.
and Filipino food.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am, but not the big one.
All right. So this is a 2 years contract, same like what you did to your previous employment. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, all right? Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. If you disagree about terms and conditions, you can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family at the same time and for your children. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah? I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Hernalyn. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah? Thank you so
Thank you,
much
ma'am,
and have a good day. Bye.
so much.